Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to hide likes on Facebook business page. So if you don't want to show your Facebook page post likes count to your page followers, here's how to easily hide likes count. To do it, you have to open Facebook page on your computer browser. Now make sure to switch to the page and click on your page profile and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings and click on privacy. And under privacy, click on reaction preferences. And here you will get this section hide number of reactions. Enable on your post option. And now on, other people won't see the total number of reactions under post you share to your Facebook page. And if you don't want to see total number of reactions for post other shared to newsfeed, pages and groups, you can enable this option. This is how we can do it. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.